What all you guys got new coming out?
Well, everything you see here. So like all of these here.
Yeah.
These are all new.
Some of that stuff's
not
out
new
already.
tool. Yeah, some of it is.
Yeah,
Some of
I've
it
already
is.
built that. I just got that.
Yeah.
I just got that.
Okay. Yeah, but some people haven't. You
Yeah.
know. And the biggest news for us is the Corvette.
Corvette. Okay, the 22?
Yeah.
Okay. You ever been down to the Corvette Museum?
Yep.
It's pretty cool, isn't it?
Yeah, not long after they had the floor giveaway.
Yeah. When's this one coming out, Ed?
This month, next month.
This month,
The
next
finished
month?
kit, so it's, you know, they're made.
All right, this month, next month. I like that. That's a good month.
Can that only be built as a highboy?
Yeah, I mean, it was out before.
Right. And you can add fenders and stuff with it.
Yeah, if you don't, I don't here. Give me the kit. I don't think it had. So it has the fenders with it.
Oh,
See all
okay.
the parts on the side there.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
is that what you're looking for?
Yeah. No, I like the highboy stuff.
Any other news of anything coming out?
Let's see here.
Okay, you can't give me anything juicy?
Oh, you gotta be kidding me.
No, you know me. I want something juicy.
Yeah, you want something that ain't even gonna happen.
We could always start a rumor and see how far it goes.
Yeah, do that.
That's what we like doing at work.
Yeah, do that.
All right. I just thought there might be something good and juicy you knew. I think your lips are sealed. I think your lips are sealed.
You'll probably hear about it before I do.
Your lips are sealed.
My lips are empty.
Thank you, Ed.